Hi there. Let's talk about Noise Pulse Go Buzz smartwatch today. This smartwatch comes with a 1.69-inch screen with 240 by 280 pixels resolution, 550 nits brightness, and TFT display. You can further personalize the watch by picking your favorite watch face. This product comes with a 300 mAh battery which can last up to 7 days. This smartwatch comes with Bluetooth calling with inbuilt mic and speaker to take your call straight from your wrist. You can access your recent call log and synced contacts on the watch screen. This smartwatch comes with IP68 water resistance, which means that you don't have to worry about rain or sweat anymore. This is the ideal companion for your health goals with the SpO2 monitoring and heart rate monitoring. With 123 sports modes, you can also track your progress while you work out. This watch also has sleep monitoring to help you track your health better and enable yourself to be more active. This Noise smartwatch comes with 1-year brand warranty. Thank you.